days. Doctors and nurses at Marshall Medical Center say the stress from coronavirus is starting to wear them out. WAAY 31's Sophia Borelli is live at Marshall Medical Center North, where some employees are working up to 18 hours a day. Sophia.
The doctors and nurses inside this building that are battling the virus on those front lines tell me that it is both mentally and physically exhausting, but they said that they do try to stay positive as much as possible.
The last 4 weeks have been very challenging for us. There were many days that we had reached capacity, which meant that we didn't have any beds for patients to come to. Which then backed up our emergency department.
Kathy Woodruff is the nursing director for Marshall Medical Centers. She says there are a total of 25 patients with coronavirus at the North and South campus. 10 are in intensive care, 5 on ventilators. Woodruff described what they're seeing.
Most of them are here anywhere from 1 week to 6 weeks. For example, we discharged a patient yesterday that had been with us since June 3rd. So they are very sick and they stay a long, long time, which then, affects our capacity and our ability to have beds for patients.
Doctors say at times it's overwhelming.
And I've witnessed my colleagues go through things that I'd rather them not have to go through as well. I wish none of this had really ever happened.
But there's a glimmer of hope. Woodruff says this past week they've had several coronavirus patients go home.
But we have had many, many discharges. So our capacity is better. We're able to breathe a little bit now. We're able to feel a little sense of relief, which is very encouraging.
Woodruff also said thankfully that they do have enough supplies, including personal protection equipment for staff and ventilators for people who need them. Live in Marshall County, Sophia Borelli, WAAY 31.